Yo ebusia aha the fabulous zone. Jenya Kotoko penny bako aha Kotoko Express. I don't know Chiroma Kotoko okay, one of the teams of Chiroma Kotoko Express na hona on the 15th of August wo California. Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters ene Accra Hearts Folk supporters a California. Omo de akensie kese pa ba be hihye so na ayensem pi yenya Kotoko righteous ne bako wa ne dia de Jerome Otchere. Jerome Otchere, you share ne opinion about that game. Jerome, Akwawa.
Yeah.
But you say match there because no, what you want to say?
Oh, of course, and I made that because you see, and COVID-19, you know, BBI, yare. BBI with TBI, it's about people getting sick, people dying here and there. So if there is anything that will take our minds or take us away from COVID stories, we all have to appreciate and embrace it, and that's why I'm excited. So even though in Ghana, it's in California, August 15th, it's a good thing where we should encourage fans to follow it and see what will happen. Unim say has to go share wherever it is, whatever it is. So say in Koko Crown or Asha has to go Jessica. There's going to be tension, and some of us will expect that Kotoko will win. So it's good, and let's look up to it and see how things will go up there.
Okay, now we know Osha say we know omo professional footballers I can see.
It doesn't matter. I mean, what matters is that Hearts and Kotoko, and say arguments cry. You don't want House of Oak to win. And you know, some are professional players, some are professional players. For me, it doesn't matter. What matters is they are representing Kotoko, and however it is, you would want them to play and win. House of Folk, look, we beat them anywhere. We beat them. Say, has ladies, Kotoko ladies, we beat them. You know, so I think it's a good thing. Those going to play, should not look at it from say, oh, when you're professional players and they don't even train. I mean, you say, but Akoye, Kotoko, the red jersey to represent Kotoko, they will give their best and see if we can beat us there.
Obi has stamina crowd no one pack no or two number community out so.
Say we so stamina and no so. Kakra na with me there bono. Ubama na de wo de aboni. I mean, make an impact with the little you have. And koyesa na say e bia na eno so kwa ba ko fast ma bro. Oh, if you know you can run, the ball into anymore. Don't go for the ball. I mean, walk for it. But see, the fun in this is that Hearts and Kotoko, and at any time, for a Kotoko person, you would want Kotoko to win. So me, whether they are professionals or not, I would love to see them play and win.
Okay, one last thing. Scoreline prediction.
Oh, Bideminyadi with scoreline. I mean, what's important for me is playing to win. And I'm sure, say, some of your professional players and how many professional players, I'm sure Kotoko will win.
Okay, fantastic. The writer, Jerome Otchere, and or any opinion about the game in Ebano. So you didn't get no YouTube, then you subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, the Fabulous Zone, Twitter, the Fabulous Zone, Instagram, the Fabulous Zone, Facebook, the Fabulous Zone, all the platforms, social media platforms. So now following na Kotoko Hunsimbia Ubenya, the Fabulous Zone for Porcupines by Porcupines.